In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight online from Enugu to Abuja. Now, this video is basically an educational video, right? So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Open up your app, right? So I'm using the United Nigeria Airlines. I'm going to open it up, right? Click on book a flight. So I want to travel from Enugu to Abuja, right? So I'm going to click on this. I'm flying from Enugu to Abuja, right? So you're going to choose your traveling date. You can select this date first, right? So you can choose how many people you are traveling with. If it's only you, right, so you can select them. So click on search flight. So wait for this to gradually load up, right? So from here, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of options, right? The dates and the amount you're going to be paid, and the amount you're going to be paying, right? So if I select, let me say Sunday 1st, right? So I'll be traveling to Abuja from Enugu, right? So I'm going to just click on this, select this, right? Wait for this to load up, right? You can come on and just add up your details, right? Whoever you are, if you're a man, if you're a woman, just add any of them here, right? So this is it. So just add it here, right? So add up your mobile number, add up your email address, right? So once you have added it up, just click on this save, right? So click on this continue. From here, you're going to be selecting the seat number, right? So you're traveling from Enugu to Abuja, and yeah, you need to stay on the seat, right? So I think there are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's just 7 seats left, right? So I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on select seat. So yeah, I think you're done with everything, right? You're done with everything. So the last thing for you to do is to just make payments. Click on continue, right? Click on this pay stack, right? So you're going to be given the option to make some payments, right? So you can pay with your OPay, with your bank transfer, with your bank card, with USSD, right? So select any of them. Once you have made your payments, you're going to be receiving an email, right, to confirm that yeah, you have paid for this flight. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next video.